Goldberg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just me.
Hi guys, Molweni. I hope nizondiva, but I don't have my mic with me. But hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Sithinga-Mqoqi, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, Mandasa, for coming back. This is Jimmy, guys. Asina electricity endlini ngicinga uyoshawarisha ngoku. I am done. Ujima phofu I'm not done. Ukushota beniba today ngizawuqala i-skipping challenge, but sana ibra guys endiyinxibileyo amabele wam athi and ngoku abuhlungu. So I'm thinking of going to Mr. Price Sport to go and check ibra, because benzanothenga ibra but i-one and andizosoloko ndinxibe yona oko. Imdaka guys ngoku we don't have water since the 29th of May. Bekuthiwa yabuya namhlanje andiyazi noma ndizowafumane khona or azobuya late or azodelay, I don't know. But guys, sana impahla zemdaka, we only have our hlamba nawosela asinawo wohlamba impahla. Last week I went to my friend's place, or I went to my friend to do eyelashes zam, and then I went to do my nails. Tomorrow is her birthday, since I celebrate last Saturday. I don't have anything to wear, but andizojonga nto yonxiba guys, ndiyehla, like especially up kwi-stomach area. So andifuna uthenga into namhlanje. Today is Monday, and then only to find out about Saturday ayindilingani. So ndizoya kwi-shopping I think Friday for into endizoyinxiba Saturday, but ngoku ndizoyojonga ii-bras Mr. Price Sports, and also some few things wethu mhlambi for abantwana. So yeah guys, let me go and shower, and then ndisejimini ke sana, and it is so weird le nto ndiyenzayo. Let me go and shower, and then sizohambana. This is my outfit of the day. Don't mind my dirty sneakers guys. Ndiyehla sana. I so wish uba bendinibonisile uba isisu sam besinjani before.
So many times I done miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
Okay, I think maniqale up. So most guys benditshilo ndathi ndiya Mr. Price Sport ndiyofuna ilantuka guys. Izinto ze-gym, they are so expensive. Nasana hayibo. So this is what I got Mr. Price Sport. Ndithenge this bra nantsi guys. Sana ndithenge medium impact because andim-afford high. This was 229. Hayi wethu ayikanxitywa. This was 229, and then is it 229 zombini? And then nalena nayo medium impact. I think I didn't check. Why this is a crop top, but ke mna ndizayisebenzisa as ibra. Nayo ibi 229. Thanks guys. And then ndizithengele ezi silicone ring for ejimini, because i-ring yam guys iyakrweleka. xa ndiphatha iintsimbi iyaskretsheleka, so yeah, xa ndiye ejimini ndizayikhupha ndifake ezi. And then what else can I, oh, and then I bought myself ezilantika, ezi gloves, and as I think it's for the third or fourth time ndizithenga, but ziyalahleka. This was 150, this is size medium. And then ezi silicone bezi-100 rand, ziphuma ziyi-3. And then I went to a Sheet Street. I didn't buy a plastic or a paper bag yaphayana. I went to a Sheet Street ndathenga ezilantika ngamatye phofu, bag of pebbles. It was 35.99 rand. Ndenzela ufaka kulaa ntoni laa kulaa plant yam. And then inoba niyazibuza uba side sizibone nini na, side siwubone nini umsebenzi wezi vazi uzithengayo. Guys, ndisezazibona sana. I bought this vase. Ndisezazibona guys, ndisaqokelela, and then xa sezidibene izinto ndizifunayo ndizanibonisa. Yeah, that's all from Sheet Street let me say price spot. Total ibisithi 634. And then Sheet Street, I think 125. Ndizibuyisele apha. I'm not sure guys uba niyanibona, but if anindiboni uxolo, because and then I went to Ewulis. Ewulis I bought le seeded whole wheat brown bread. Ndathenga these cherry tomatoes, sweet and juicy. Kakuhle apha bendiyele okay, anzazi bendiyele i-sweet corn or isonka or intoni, I don't know. And then I bought a sweet corn, was it 4. I bought myself, guys, can you believe it? I don't have but this is a body lotion. It's just that I will use it as a hand lotion. This one, it was much more cheaper. I think it was 34 and something. And then hand cream, and then I bought a feta cheese. Ndiyayithanda ke guys mna sausage yaseWoolies. Sausage. And then ndathenga beef. And that's all from Ewulis. There's sitting 487. Sanimali yam komele ibuye. I think lento. I think guys I need bana ndifake this bag. Ibhegi yam yasejimini, because every time when I decide to go Ewulis intliziyo yam iba buhlungu, because I always buy ezilantika, iibhegi ezi ndingaphinde ndizisebenzise every time ndisiya. Let me put this efrijini and make myself something to eat. Guys, can you believe it? I think now it's something to 4, maybe 22 or quarter to. I haven't eaten anything today, but andilambanga man. Okay, ndilambile, andilambanga, I don't know. So yeah guys, let me pack these. Asinamanzi since the 29th njengoba bendinixelela. Bendiba ndizawubuya sewekhona but awekho, so yaba ndase-bye for now. Ndifuna ukwenza i-green juice yam ndiyisele before ndiye ejimini. Nantsi laa ring that I bought the other day. Oh, my hands are so ashy. Ndizazithambisa xa ndigqiba ukwenza apha bendiphethe amanzi. So ndifuna ukwenza i-green juice yam, ndimarineyithe nantsi inyama, ndiyishiye ndizawuyenza xa ndibuyayo.
I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. chance to stress you. You think say you be my controller.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body big as humble like don't be in the humble like. Tell me is you down, cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Only hope you slept right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama.
Okay guys, isiphelo sami simdaka benisosola ngethishi nebo ishiyekele nizasiyeka and nizaskina ngoku xa ndibuya ejimini. Guys, let me go. The time now is 1:10. I'm having my green juice, a bitter because there's no pineapple, but again if I get green apple. Today, guys, today in late ejimini, and as a result I think sendi break the first time wale green juice, so I think ndizofika ndithenge i-energy drink because sana xa ndiye late ejimini ndiyadinwa, and then xa ndiphuma phaa I'll go for a shopping. So okay guys, kule vlog, so yesterday was my friend's birthday, my bestie. So Saturday we are going out to celebrate a birthday. Okay, so I don't have anything to wear, so I think ndizayojonga into zonxiba today. I don't know what kind of a style endifuna ukuhamba ngaso or endifuna ukusinxiba. Guys, jongani ndifake laa ring, but yeah bandase andiyazi ndizabona phambili. So I'm just crossing fingers uba ejimini ndithathe only i-hour so that ndizokwazi uyokwenza shopping and then come back and cook before my husband comes back. Guys, today is Wednesday, ndagqibela upheka ngolwesine or ngolwesihlanu, I'm not sure. So zonke ezi ntsuku, Friday ndane kwifriend yam ndiyokwenza i-nails and my eyelashes, and then Saturday I went to lamcimini ndandiye kuwo. I came back ebusuku. Sunday I went to church. After church we went home ekhaya, ndafika ndahlamba ubhaka babantwana and all that because amanzi bengekho. And then Monday bekungekho manzi. And then sitye ntoni Monday? I'm not sure, but yesterday I didn't cook. Sibuye late na izolo because ndibuyele ekhaya, so today I have to cook nakanjani. So yeah bandase, let's go ndiyobilanyana a bit and then ndiye mall and then come back.
Oh my good, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you good. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Trying to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie.
I didn't get anything guys, I'm off to a checkers.
I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Happy Saturday. Molweni guys, molweni. Today is Saturday. I'm sure it's Bonene Xeni, but I didn't say anything. So yeah guys, the time now is 2:10. We are off to Nelson Mandela. We are not sure but we are off to Nelson Mandela to celebrate a birthday yomngani wami. So yeah guys, when someone vele born and just say bling bling, you know, sendi yanibona mos. Sendi mhlendi nje nibe ningayazi guys wakwenzeka ntoni. So I am taking you guys with us. So yeah bantu asemasambeni.
Give me Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, loving my good. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it